Okay, you guys, so I just bought a comforter set from Walmart. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the sheets and the pillowcases in the washing machine, because you should know, once you buy something new, you should always wash them before you put them on your bed, or clean your towels before you put them on your body. I'm in the washing machine full up right now, and I'm gonna go ahead and wash these sheets and the pillowcases.
It's for somebody special, yeah. Can't wait it out tonight. Baby, you special.
So I have my settings on quick wash, which is blinking. We're gonna use a cold cycle, and we have a medium load. And all of this together should take about 17 minutes for the whole process.
Girl, my champion lover. Would you wait for me, girl? Yeah, cause now you did cross my mind. Would you wait for me, girl? I know, ain't no distance, ain't no time to get me back to you. Coach, yeah, give me coach. Yeah, give me coach. Yeah, to get me back to you. Give me coach. Yeah, give me coach. Nah, give me coach. Yeah, to get me back to you. Cannot deny it's a coast. And if God is my witness, now you be my weakness. My no be boss. See Oluwa don't bless me. Not true, no be ghost ride. If they say I didn't listen, baby, you're the one that I'm missing, girl. And my darling, would you wait for me, girl? Yeah, cause now you did cross my mind. Would you wait for me, girl? I know, ain't no distance, ain't no time to get me back to you. Coach, coach, yeah, get me back to you. Oh, coach, coach, yeah, to get me back to you.
Just one kiss.
Who are you texting right now?
All I wanna do is all about you. 난 머리 위로부터 자꾸 너만 떠오르니까. Baby, it's true. Everywhere is you all day. 우리 둘의 공간 속에 멈춰 있는 거야. All I want is just one kiss. 사라지는 내 이야기. 새가지 꿈처럼 부드러운 lullaby. No fooling around, maybe you're right, maybe it's a fantasy. I don't care what people say. Even if you hide away. 나만의 butterfly, 잊지 못할 lullaby. No fooling around, maybe you're mine. 설레는 이야기. Too good to be true. It's all about you. 어떡해. 내 모든 노래 널 향해 가고 있으니까. It's you again, yeah. Baby, it's true. 내 손에 닿은 이 연기에 다른 어떤 말로 설명할 수 없는 거야. All I want is just one kiss. 사라지는 내 이야기.
guys, so just made it to Walmart. So I'm gonna go inside and pick up a couple of items. And I'm gonna see you guys once I'm inside Walmart.
Running way too deep now, I can't remember. Ooh, what I like, what I do.
$6. Let's try this one.
Yeah, no. That guy and I quit right at that moment. Oh, yeah. I stayed there back. Yeah. 37. Yeah, I hear a lot of people, a lot of Americans, they're living out of the United States like this.
Time for all that.
Oh wow.
That's fucking just a damn thing.
Yeah, that's a good little shit right there.
That seagull shit.
Look on that side over there by your, you see that side over there?
Yeah, I tried to get it with the
Oh, okay.
windshield.
I don't know, the windshield wiper ain't gonna do nothing.
I see it. Damn, man.
Here, do this, but do it softly.
Sausage?
I says, here, put it around the.
It's still gonna scrape. Cause I was using my. Yeah, scraping up my car.
I'm talking about the window right here.
Oh, too late now.
Just wrap it around the thing.
Shit, I just scraped up my car.
I ain't talking about your car. I'm talking about the windshield.
Said window, you gotta be specific. Yeah, scrape it.
I would still put the towel around it though. Yeah, like that. Okay. Got that bird shit off the windshield.